Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove and replace the background of your videos in CapCut. So first, I'm going to show you how to remove the background. Click on your video and then find the cutout option. Then select the remove background. Okay, so now the background will be removed. Click on the check icon, and to replace it with the new one, find the canvas option. Here choose background. So here you can upload the background from your file gallery, or you can also use one from CapCut. Okay, I'm going to use this one for example. Okay, it will be added just like that. So that's a simple tutorial from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.